Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix your Western Union error code C2002. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we will start. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your particular browser, type in Western Union, and once you have done so, this kind of interface is gonna pop up. Now even you are trying to access your particular official website of Western Union, and somehow encountering that kind of error problem, the first thing you're going to notice is, do you have any VPN extension, or do you have any ad blockers extension available? Now I can see I do have this one extension over here, and this might can cause sometimes those problems if your tab or basically this website is not supporting. So make sure to remove that from your particular tab. Now get another tab and type in Western Union update today to check out today's update. You can see, you can tap on Western Union company news, and if they have added any updates regarding that. If it has simply stopped working and having any maintenance issue or outage, then you will find it right over here. Otherwise, you can see it's a Western Union system down today as well. So here also you will get your answer. You can see no current problems as to Western Union website for today. So if in case you're encountering that problem, it's not your fault. It's simply the website itself is going up for the maintenance. That's why you're facing that. Simply wait for a while till it solves. Otherwise, you can check out the update by going to any of these websites which shows the updates regarding. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.